So far as human civilization goes, our world is advancing towards a direction of new wilderness and conflicts. We are always changing the environment to make it more suitable for our lifestyle and behavioral needs. The concept of green, clean, environmental friendly, and energy saving are advocated by the modern society, reflecting people's care and concern for the environment. In response to the social needs, Mingnuo Machinery Company Limited has been focusing on the research and development, production and sales of a variety of environmental sanitation and cleaning equipment. The products not only contain state-of-the-art technologies and functions, but also have passed the ISO 9001 International Quality System certification and the European CE certification. The company has obtained several dozens of national patents and won many honors such as High-Tech Enterprise and High-Tech Product. Mingnuo was founded in 1988 and has made it after going through nearly 30 years of trials and tribulations. Today, it has become the largest production base of electric sweepers in China. Quality for survival and innovation for development is Mingnuo's philosophy. Acting on this concept, we provide customers with sweepers and scrubbers products. Advanced technology, strict management, and high-quality products enable the company to establish a good reputation in the market and win recognition and trust of the customers. With our products sold to over 50 countries across the world and over 100 service stations set up in China and abroad, we make a commitment to lifetime warranty. Mingnuo is always paying attention to the product quality and research and development. The company invested millions of RMB in research and development each year. It has cooperated with Southeast University and built the Joint Research and Development Center of Mingnuo Environmental Sanitation Equipment and Engineering and established a long-term partnership with Dongfeng Automobile Company Limited. It owns over 60 sets of internationally advanced process equipment. Moreover, it is the first enterprise in China to possess its own research and development organization, such as all-robot welding technology, laser cutting technology, and full streamline of sweeper production. With the largest quality management and testing center of the domestic industry, a solid foundation is paved for the company to expand market shares and realize the high quality and the demand of the products. Mingnuo realized that good environment and relaxed atmosphere can better stimulate the creativity and initiative of employees. Therefore, the company makes great efforts to create a better environment with high quality for employees working, learning, and living. And this lays a solid foundation for its own growth. Build the future together with a tradition of excellence. Mingnuo will continue to focus on customers' needs and keep on with the research and development and innovation to provide excellent environment protection equipment. Let's join hands and embrace an even brighter future.